barrels per day.
190 to 166.
There's apples under pressure.
You buy stocks on Tuesday and sell them on Friday.
Market is as volatile as you'll ever see.
Traders saying this is the craziest day they have ever seen in these markets. Veteran traders saying they've never seen anything like it. The movement in oil.
Hello guys, it's Max here from Daily Market Movements. Welcome to another episode where today we're going to be analysing the crude oil markets. Just before I start today's video, anyone who's interested in joining my signal service, please do not hesitate to visit my website, dailymarketmovements.com. I charge a very small fee of $29.99 to join, and you can find this website link in the description of today's video. But let's talk about the crude oil markets here. Sorry, I got my tongue in a bit of a twist there. Crude oil, horrible week. We already know that, okay? From Monday, we've pretty much fallen around 10%, I think it is, yeah. So around 11% here for the crude oil markets. But the good, the positive is that we have found support, and that, you could argue that's on this, the bottom of this wedge. And I'm going to redraw this wedge shape, and I think it might look a little bit like this. So this could tell me that crude oil may be, hovering between $100 a barrel all the way up to $120 now for some time. If this holds, of course. If we did break down and take out the low of yesterday's trading session, which was 101, then I think that opens up the doors to the 200-day EMA. So, I think that we can now draw a nice little support area there. If we take out that, then I'm shorting this market to the 200-day EMA. But considering that we have still held it and we have continued to bounce, if we take out the top of today's swing high, then I think that opens up the door to the 50-day EMA. And, this is the move that I am favouring. For those who know, even when we broke down below the 50-day EMA, I was looking for signs to buy this market. I'm still very, very bullish. And I think that, crude oil is going to see a move similar to this. So I would be a buyer here. I'd put my stop loss just below there. So for example, I'd enter this trade here. I'd have my stop loss just below yesterday's swing high, and a take profit, probably mid-range. You don't want to be too greedy here, perhaps even a 0.38 fib area, and that gives you a nice 2-for-1 risk-reward ratio. Sorry, that 0.5 fib area, I should say. That is that's a trade that I'm kind of looking for here in the crude oil markets. I am bullish. I think that we will get a bounce here, and it's going to weigh even more on the stock market, and we will see a continued breakdown in the stock market. If you watch my Nasdaq 100 video, I have said that for some time now. So that's what I'm kind of looking at now for the crude oil market, and we are starting to become oversold here. So I'm a buyer here. I really am. I think this offers a fantastic buying opportunity.
190 to 166.
There's apples under pressure.
You buy stocks on Tuesday and sell them on Friday.
Market is as volatile as you'll ever see.
Traders saying this is the craziest day they have ever seen in these markets. Veteran traders saying they've never seen anything like it. The movement in oil.